Champions, how are you? So there's another question, and the question says that a book of mass m lies on top of the table of mass capital M that rolls freely along the ground. So there is no friction here. The coefficient of friction between the book and the table is mu. Here there is a friction, that is mu. Friction coefficient is mu. The person is pushing the rolling table. What is the maximum acceleration of table so that the book does not slide backwards relative to the table? So basically there is some person that is pushing the table and the book is on the table. So the question asking is, what is the maximum value of force that this lady can apply on the table that this book doesn't slide back? So just see what's happening. This is M. So when she will put force there, the book will be in tendency to move backwards. So the friction will be in the front, in the this direction. This will be the frictional force. This is mg. Okay. So the frictional force is mu n, and this is the F max. F max means the maximum friction. So the maximum friction will be nu n. Nu n is mg. So this is the maximum friction that can be created by this book on the table. So the F is equals to m into a, and acceleration is F by m. So acceleration we have to find. Acceleration force is mu mg by m, with mm goes off. This is mu g. So the acceleration is mu g. Acceleration is g. Now we will check the mark scheme. Mark scheme says B is the right answer. So in this question, what we have done, we have just calculated the frictional force, which is the maximum frictional force, mu n, F max. So maximum acceleration, we have to find that it does not slide. So if the force will be equal to this, suppose there is some force equals to this, so this force will cancel each other. It will be mu mg and it will be mu mg. For this, force will cancel each other, so we have taken the maximum frictional value while calculating the acceleration here. So hope you like this video and your doubt is clear now. So thank you for watching this video.